Hello, my name is James. Today, I am honored to bring you this work of art. We all have the potential to inherit a great wealth within us, one that goes far beyond physical possessions and monetary value. Neville Goddard has written a lecture to help us understand the innate power we hold, and how we can use it to claim our birthright. Join me as we explore this thought-provoking lecture to discover how we can unlock the treasures that await us and truly claim our inheritance. Let us begin. Claim your inheritance. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something I believe is of the utmost importance to all of us: our inheritance. Whether it be from a spiritual world to a physical world, from our ancestors' wisdom to our own personal successes, all of us have something to call ours. But, as we all know, what is ours is not always easy to access or understand. It takes a certain effort, dedication, and courage to take ownership of what is rightfully ours. It requires a certain power to go beyond the known and accepted norms and claim it as our own. This brings me to the point of today's topic: how to claim your inheritance. To properly understand the importance of claiming our inheritance, let's first define what it is. A few key components of claiming your inheritance include manifesting, self-actualization, and transformation. To manifest is essentially to make something concrete, to materialize an idea. The idea is that whatever you focus on and give energy to will eventually become reality. To self-actualize is to recognize your true potential and make strides to become the best version of yourself possible. And finally, to transform means to take a leap beyond the mundane and find ways to create something greater than what is already present. These concepts form the core of what it means to claim your inheritance, to seek out and own those elements that are unique to you and to pursue them with the same courage and confidence with which you'd pursue money or property. The question then becomes, how does one go about claiming one's inheritance? The answer lies in the power of imagination. Imagination gives us a vital tool through which to manifest our desires. Whenever you have an idea, focus on it and give it energy. Visualize it, make it real in your mind, and then focus on it until you can make it a reality. Doing this exercise consistently will help you find the courage and the strength to pursue your inheritance. It will help you learn to believe in yourself, no matter what the odds. Likewise, self-actualization is also a key factor in claiming your inheritance. Once you've figured out what it is that you want, the next step is to understand why you want it. What is it that you want to experience, learn, or gain from claiming your inheritance? Once you've identified this, you can use it to push yourself and your goals further. Finally, transformation is absolutely essential to claiming your inheritance. Life is full of surprises, and in order to take advantage of them, you have to be open and willing to let new experiences transform you for the better. Don't be afraid to make changes and move forward. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, either. Claiming your inheritance is a journey, but one that is well worth taking. Don't be afraid to put in the effort, to focus on your desires and to transform yourself along the way. Finally, always remember that in the end, you have the power to create your own reality and to make your dreams come true. Thank you all for your time. Now, let's all go out there and claim our inheritances. By now we have seen how powerful our inheritance can be, and how even the smallest of decisions can propel us towards our birthright. It is up to us to take this knowledge and use it to our advantage, cultivating our inner wealth and emerging stronger, richer, and more fulfilled than ever. Neville Goddard's Claim Your Inheritance is a powerful call to action, reminding us of the bounty that awaits us if we set our intentions and seize our rightful destiny. Let's use this inspiration to empower ourselves and boldly claim our inheritance. Masterfully done. That was awesome. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It will really help this channel, and it will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.